Number one, obviously all of this is so easy to see through so that I can keep an eye on all of my chicks and how they're doing, but I can also enjoy viewing them, which is like one of the main points of having chickens. This would be really great for other different types of animals as well, like guinea pigs or reptiles. One of the things I also really enjoy is how easy it is to slide these open and closed. I can easily access the chicks from here, or I can of course access them from above, which is a really nice feature in case I don't want them to get big enough where they can easily get out. I can just reach in from the top. But for easy access for cleaning, this just makes it so simple. It also comes with multiple thermostats. One of them I put right back here, and the digital one I put right back on this side of the brooder because we really want to keep up with the heat on both sides. I really like the little light. But one of the really cool parts is this thermometer probe that just goes straight through the little holes, the little vent holes on the side. And then this is where you set your thermometer for how warm you would like it to be. And then the heat bulbs will kick on when it gets below a certain temperature. So obviously these are not chicks, but I just wanted to show you another really great thing about how large this is how versatile it is as far as how long you can leave your chickens in there. So if you're on the fence about whether or not you can buy chicks because you're like, it's going to take me a month to build a coop. Well, if you have something like this, you have plenty of time to plan for that.